Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Brother P Touch PT-N10 portable label maker, a small gadget that instantly makes organizing feel easier and way more satisfying. Right out of the box, it feels lightweight, compact, and super easy to carry around, whether you're labeling kitchen jars, cables, or storage boxes. Setup is simple too, just connect via Bluetooth to your phone, open the Brother Label app, and you're ready to start in minutes. The app makes label creation fun instead of confusing. You can pick different fonts, frames, and styles, and the best part is the preview screen, so you see exactly how your label will look before you hit print. Printing is fast and crisp, with clear text that's easy to read at a glance. The tape cartridges are also simple to swap, so you don't waste time struggling with inserts or jams. Overall, the Brother PT N10 is a reliable everyday tool that turns labeling into a quick, smooth process instead of a chore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.